What's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Listen up, people. The weekend has finally made it. It's time to get geared up. It's time to get ready to go out and have some fun. But I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. This one does get my stamp of approval. But remember, download ASAP because I do not know, I tell you, how long this one is going to be free. Now, the name of the watch face is called Ethereal. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look so far as your info is concerned. And you're going to have a black background, which really brings out this watch face. Now, once the watch face is on, you're going to get the best of both worlds. Get nice, big, bold digital time at the top. Down at the bottom, you're going to get a nice, elegant analog clock. And that one looks beautiful. And I like the green trim that's going around it. I love the background theme. And if you look over to your left, you're going to get your month, your date. You're going to also get your battery info. And to the right, you're going to get your step info. And listen, yes, I know I'm up under 20,000. Again, I got to take care of my health. Now, down up under that, you're going to get your heart rate information. And it is inactive. So if you tap on it, you can go into it and set an alarm. Same thing for your heart rate information and your step information. Gives you your step status, things of that nature. And also the same thing with your battery info and your calendar that you can tap into to set an event. Now, I do like the animation that's going around the bezel of the watch. It goes around really smooth. You shouldn't have any problem with big battery drainage at all, not unless you're having issues with your Gears 3. Other than that, this is a definite download. Now, the other thing I like about it is that if I double tap, I can dim it down to however I like. Just keep tapping till it gets to the lighting that you would like your watch face to be. Now, this is super dim, so I like this. But I love to keep it bright. Again, I can't see. But what do you think, people? I thought this was a nice one. I thought it was worth the download. I thought it was worth the review. But again, it is all up to you. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun with family and friends. But remember, most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.